Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you, this is the first one I'm going to be doing in this series, and hopefully you don't think I'm crazy, but I'm getting into meditation, and I often say to you while I'm painting, put on some relaxing music and sit there and just relax and enjoy yourself. Well, this is the first one that I'm going to attempt to do. Not done this yet, so bear with me. I went ahead and base coated this bottle with yellow ochre and a mixture of that and my wicker white using a sea sponge. Now, you can get a sea sponge at any of your craft stores. You can get a big one, cut it up. You can get different sizes, different shapes. That's up to you. Nothing specific has to be used. Now, for something like this, you can just look around and see what you have. You have old paint brushes, big brushes, little brushes. Of course, this is not a big project, so you might want to, keep it in context, just for that purpose. But pick out some colors that you like. This is going to be probably pretty colorful. I'm going to be using violet pansy, medium blue. Of course, I already showed you the yellow ochre and the wicker white, the pure orange, and tea berry, along with licorice, which is my black. I am just going to take some time, use this bottle as a focus point, because basically when you're meditating, you are trying to clear your mind. You're trying to take your mind off of whatever's bothering you, and that's why, I was trying to look at different ways to create this kind of, you can create art, you can just be doing this just to get the frustrations out and pitch it, do it on paper, cardstock, whatever you want. And again, just put your mind to work with some meditation music and you will be good to go. Now, a lot of times people will say that they cannot meditate, which I believe is really true. But there's different types, different styles, and different things can actually qualify for a type of meditation. Alright, so with that being said, this is going to be very abstract and just as I go. So I think what now I'm going to do is just dip my sponge into the tea berry. Again, I'm just doing very random, very random. Now, with bottle painting, you typically don't put your paint or your brush into water to thin it out. With this type of a project, you certainly could. That would be perfectly fine. So then, I did that. I'm just going to go ahead and dip my flat brush, which is the number 12, and I didn't go through my materials, but my number 12 Amagic flat brush. And I'm just going to come in here and just start randomly putting my brush through the paint. Again, no certain, you can do it this way, that way, you have to do it this way, no, nothing. Just do it. And of course I'm talking while I'm doing this. Typically, you would be talking, you would be listening to your meditation music. And I come in with my brush. This is my round brush, it's a number 12 also. And just randomly got your base color. Can be a light color or any color you choose. Now look at this and think, I could have maybe incense burning, or I could come through here, kind of use my same brush, or same, not brush, but sponge, and just, again, randomly go over it. Alright, I did that. Going to do my scruffy brush. This is a number 10. I'm going to go ahead and put it into a little bit of orange. Well, didn't do that so well, but just kind of putting it through here. And if you see, you know, if you had music on and you were just doing this and concentrating on it, how healing, how relaxing that would be. Hey, you could even close your eyes and do this and say, hey, what do I end up with when I'm done? Who knows, right? And of course, doing a bottle, I would do all the way around if I'm not going to just pitch it. You can take your brush, my liner brush, stick it into some colors and just do some, you know, designs on it. Or you can use a different color to do designs. Doesn't matter, guys. This doesn't matter. The whole purpose of this is not perfection. It's relaxation and to help you with the mental calmness. See that? Almost like a little tic-tac board, right? And see, it doesn't take very long. If you're doing this on paper, you can keep layering it if you wish. You know, I could even go in, you know, come back in, stick on some more. I think this is the white I'm using right now. I can come back in with this brush, my flat brush, with some blue, just kind of do some other, you know, swirlies down it. Swirlies is what I meant to say. Just kind of, they don't have to go all the same way either. Bring them down. I can come over my little block marks if I want. But just, you know, go for it. Get a brush, get a rag, whatever you have in your house, and see what you can come up with. Again, it doesn't have to be a bottle. It's just something to relax and make your mind a little calmer. Like that. And there you have it. Pretty darn easy, right? And you can pick a longer project. You can layer it more. I just didn't. I just wanted to give you some basics. Just do some free stuff and call it a day. Oh, I forgot about my little circle maker here. Forgot. Loaded it up and come back in here. Put some random dots. Again, you don't have to use any specific tools for this. This is just what I did. And I like it. Very colorful, fun, and relaxing. So I just wanted to talk through this one so you have an idea of what it is I'm doing. But when you see these in my future videos, that's exactly the whole point. It's not to be creating anything specific. It's to give you a chance to tame your mind, soothe your gut, and dwell in your heart. Alright, I hope you like this video. If you do, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. New to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Prior to leaving, if you would take a moment to share this video on your social network with your family and friends, I would greatly appreciate that. Until the next time, please stay safe and healthy, and you have a good one. See you next time.